Let's speak about clothes, prices, and money. If you want to ask about the price, you start with the question how much. Okay, look, we've got 1 penny or 1 pound. Look, 2 pence or 2 pounds. Let's revise the clothes vocabulary. Coat, slippers, pajamas, scarves. 1 scarf, but 2 scarves. Dress, jumper. If you want to know the price, you ask, how much is, or how much are. How much is this dress? How much are these shoes? Say the question how much. Yes, you are right. How much is the coat? Say the question how much. Yes. How much are these slippers? Say the question how much. Yes. How much are these pajamas? Say the question how much. Yes. How much are these scarves? Say the question how much. How much is this dress? Say the question how much. Yes. Great. How much is this jumper? Let's practice how to say the price. You ask, how much is this coat? And say the price. It's £93.9. How much are these slippers? They are £19. How much are these pajamas? They are £15.87. How much are these scarves? They are £44.10. How much is this dress? It's £45.50. How much is this jumper? It's £19.20. Jack's got £20. Can he buy this jumper? Yes, he can. Troy's got £35. Can he buy these scarves? No, he can't. Anna's got £10. Can she buy these slippers? No, she can't. Pam's got £20. Can she buy these pajamas? Yes, she can.
Excuse me, where are the jumpers, please?
Over there, next to the jeans.
Thank you. How much is this jumper, please?
It's £15.50.
Look at my new scarf. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Oh.
It's lovely.
Let's go home now. Look at your new scarf. Missy,